This week we compete in the M25 Vale Lobo. In the first round of qualifying, Daniel will play against Illia. Watch the full video to see who wins and how far we can go in this tournament. We are here in Vale Lobo, playing our next tournament. Today Daniel and Illia are going to play against each other, but because the courts are wet, they are in the gym warming up.
Challenging match against a big friend. As always, in the beginning, it's always the same. Trying to be as more aggressive as possible and do my game. With his game, like he understands very well my game, and with like all these slides and difficult balls to the middle. Basically, he was overplaying me, you know, and what I was feeling is that I'm not really competitive, you know, like I'm doing the shots, you know, I'm doing the shots, but I'm not really, how to say, I don't want 100% to put the ball in. In the second set, actually, the things hit the same. At some point, I broke up mentally.
In my second round match, I played against a seeded player, Alexander Orlov, that was about 1600 ATP in the world. At the beginning of the match I started pretty well, and I tried to do my game, looking for my forehand. And I started to break up. At the same time, I think that he was not focused at all on the match. I think he started pretty not that good. I was serving really well despite my abdominal problem, and I managed to win 6-3. At the second set, I started to feel more pain on my abdominal area during the serve, and my serve was going to started to deteriorate, my serve motion, and I think that helped him to return better. That was one thing that he was not doing that well during the first set. He started to play more with his forehand, looking more for my backhand side and coming to the net. Here, at that moment, I was not focused and I did a double fault. Despite that, I tried to fight back. He went to a second set tiebreak, where I think I didn't play that well. I was feeling really nervous, and I was playing aggressive just a few times. Seven all. Again, I was playing too far back from the baseline, and he was making me run and putting pressure on my backhand. At the end of this set, I was having mixed feelings because I was putting all the effort to try to play with my conditions that were not the best, and I was really worried about what my problem would be in my abdominal area.
Não sei o que é que estou a fazer. Eu quero desistir e ao mesmo tempo não consigo.
Already at the end of the super tiebreak, I was not returning that well. At the match point, but I tried to be brave. The 9-all, I thought, let's just play 2 points aggressive. Great point for me. I was aggressive. The credits and the merit to this match.
Just finished his match. He's going to physio because he's feeling some abdominal pain.
Estás a tocar agora, não sinto, mas aí tipo, eu já sinto uma dor diferente. E aí sinto mais.
Olha, vais comer e pegas num cubinho de gelo, pedes lá um cubinho de gelo e fazes assim.
10 minutos?
Vais comendo e fazes o gelo.
Later that day, I played my last rounds of qualies against Mario Gonzalez. He was around 700 ATP in the world, and as you can see, I couldn't serve properly, and even run was tough for me. It was really painful on my abdominals, so I decided to retire from the match because it was going to be a really tough match against a tough opponent. So at the end of the day, I just wanted to be alone, thinking about my life. It was a really challenging day for me. And it's been a couple of years really challenging too. I haven't been able to play at tournaments really consistency because my body wasn't allowing me to do that. So let's hope that the injury was not that serious and I can recover it fast and come to the tour again, hopefully continuing the grind. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.